Hello everyone. So today I went to Michael's, y'all, and in Michael's I found some foam sheets. The very first one that I got was that one. Yes, the leopard print one. And then I had another one that I purchased that looked like crocodile to me. I liked that, but I was not interested. It was they were $1.69 a piece that I purchased. They had also some zebra print ones. I wasn't a fan of that either, but the leopard print one that I got and the other with the browns and the creams I did purchase. Polka dots, wasn't so interested in that. This piece right here, that royal blue, that is a fabric foam sheet. Love, love, love that. I should have picked it up, but maybe when I go back the next time I will. While I was also in there, I ran across the loopers. Y'all know the loopers that I did the video on last week. They had those, and they also had the winter ones. These to me are the winter ones because they're more thicker. Those right there, yep. So Michael's have it all. Those are $5.90. I think they're $5.49. But while I was in there, I ran across these Celebrate ribbons. That's the name of the company that makes them. They are $9.99 a bundle. I really like the colors and everything, but I was not willing to pay $9.99 for those bundles, y'all. They had them. They were pretty nice, but y'all know, right? $9.99. Celebrate, and these right here was like red and greens and all of that. So no, but these right here. These are the Make Market wooden shapes. Love that right there with the turtles. And food, I loved everything here. They were $4.99. I believe you get 12 altogether, 3 a piece. So if you're going to make earrings, my suggestion would be to buy two of those. That way you can have plenty. The animal ones I really liked. Maybe the next time I go back, I will get some. But I want to say thank y'all so much for coming with me. Now, they had the ducks, they had the houses, but the flower ones, y'all, is everything. Did y'all see the butterflies and the hearts? The flowers, yes. Every time I go in there, I'd be meaning to pick these up, but I never do. So you see the animal ones, $4.99 Make Market. And I want to say thank y'all so much for joining me. And until my next upload, see ya.